Haya ni thikũ ya 15 mweri wa gatano mwaka wa 2024 ana gĩtĩo kĩnene njĩtĩkĩria ngoro ngĩkũnyita ũgeni gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV mohoro-inĩ maitũ ma hwaĩ-inĩ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ ngĩkĩhoka atĩ thikũ yaku no yagĩtindia oro wega nĩ ndagĩkĩra gĩtĩ kĩa ũmemerekia nĩguo kũmenyithia ũrĩa bũrũri wa gũtinda ũkĩgeria kũrehe riboti kuma kaunti itiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. Nĩ riboti kuma nja wa itoka cia bũrũri tũkũrũkio nginya riboti cia mathako nĩ maingĩ marĩa andĩki aitũ a mohoro magĩtinda magĩtũharĩria no mbere ya tũtũmũkĩra matemo ma mohoro.
We must begin to enhance our revenue.
William Ruto kuga Kenya maya kuongererwo marĩhi ma magoti. Minister wa Gĩna gũtetera budget ya mwaka wa kĩgĩna wa 2024-2025.
Barabara imekuwa ikiporomoka kutoka mnamo tarehe 24 April, kumeporomoka mara zaidi ya 10.
Kabla hatujatangaza hali ya usalama kwa hii area, watu wakae kama wanatahadharisha sana.
Na wadu matoĩkaine gwĩkũĩrwo gũkorwo makwĩte thutha wa matũĩka ma tĩri mwena wa Kimende County ya Kiambu.
Na tũgagĩtĩka mũno makĩria nĩ we gwĩtĩkĩra gũtwarana na ithe macio no mamwe marĩa tũgĩkũharĩrĩirie mohoro-inĩ maitũ ma hwaĩ-inĩ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ririkana atĩ mohoro maya maitũ tũramamemerekia ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria wa kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook ũgũtũkara kuo @Muthingi TV, ũikũrũka kũrĩa mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV, na nĩ hingo ciothe ngĩikarĩra gĩtĩ gĩkĩ kĩa ũmemerekia njĩtĩkaga wa Irimũ wa Kimani. Haya na tũkĩambĩrĩria na riboti itũ ya mbere nĩ atĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto nĩkĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ mbirarũ cia KDF gũkorwo arĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere harĩ gũteithĩrĩria a Kenya harĩ ũgarũrũku wa rĩera ũrĩa ũragĩthiĩ na mbere bũrũri-inĩ. Oroho William Ruto nĩ atũgĩirie mbũtũ icio nĩ ũndũ wa wĩrutĩri wao mũnene harĩ gũkorwo magĩthaitĩra mĩoyo ya Kenya rĩrĩa mĩiyũro ya mbura ĩragũmĩire bũrũri. King'ori wa Gatundu nĩ ũgĩtũharĩirie riboti ĩno ĩrĩa ĩratũhĩra mohoro maitũ ma hwaĩ-inĩ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ.
Akĩaria hĩndĩ ya ũyanĩrani wa makurutu a KDF, mũtongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto nĩ akinyĩtie mwena Eldoret, kaunti ya Uasin Gishu kũrĩa aranĩirie nao hamwe na kũmatũgĩria kuona marorete gũtũmĩkĩra bũrũri hamwe na kũgacĩrithia thayũ. Ruto nĩ orĩtie mbũtũ icio cia KDF makorwo magĩteithĩrĩria bũrũri harĩ kũhũrana na ũgarũrũku wa rĩera kũrĩa augĩte nĩguo ũkoretwo ũrĩ ũgwati mũnene harĩ ũthii wa na mbere hamwe na ũtonga wa bũrũri.
The Kenya Defence Forces symbolize resilience and dedication in defending our sovereignty and championing initiatives that strengthen our human security. I take this opportunity to commend the KDF for your exemplary contribution to national afforestation efforts. As you know, this campaign is a cornerstone of our national strategy to combat climate change and enhance our environmental resilience, thereby promoting overall security for our people, their properties, and livelihoods.
Na kuona mĩihũro ya ica ikuhĩ ĩrĩa yahutirie icigo nyingĩ bũrũri-inĩ na gũtiga ĩthũkangĩte indo cia mũingĩ, Ruto nĩ amatũgĩrĩtie na njĩra nene nĩ ũndũ wa kĩyo kĩao na ũhotani wao hĩndĩ ya mĩihũro ĩyo.
I commend the KDF for their tireless efforts and effective disaster response in the midst of the devastating floods which have affected many parts of our country. Government is committed to relocating and resettling affected families and to significantly enhance national disaster response capabilities to be even better prepared for future emergencies.
Mũtongoria wa bũrũri nĩ agathĩrĩirie arũgamĩrĩri a mbũtũ cia KDF kũrĩa amerĩire thirikari-inĩ gũthiĩ na mbere na kũmanyita mbaru nĩ ũndũ wa kwĩrutĩra kwao harĩ gũkũria ũhotani wao na gũtigĩrĩra nĩ magĩa na indo cia kũhũrana na moritũ marĩa marĩ kuo na marĩa maroka.
whether in peace support missions abroad or national development projects at home, your actions reflect competence and efficiency worthy of our trust and the esteem in which our nation is held on the global stage. As we honor your achievements, I reaffirm the unwavering support and commitment of the people of Kenya and our government to the continuous enhancement of your capabilities and the promotion of your welfare to ensure that you are equipped to meet current and emerging challenges with confidence.
Hadni Muthigi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatudu.
Thegio muno King'ori wa Gatudu no 40 ona tugithii na mbere ni ati andu matanyihiire atatu ni marekuru matete mioyo yao thutha wa matuika materi Larike Mende kuni county ya Kiambu. Mutino rio gikorirwo kihanika muthenya wa ira na kuria gavana wa county eno Kimani Wamatangi ni ugete ate na gukorwo akirera aikari mihango ya gwethana na aria marekuru gukorwo mathikanite ni teri no igukorwo igithii na mbere gukwakiranira uteithio kuri family iria ihutitio ni matuika maya ona thengia wa aikari guko kuga matirathie na mbere gukenerera o mihango iria iragithii na mbere ya kumateithiriria.
Andu makiria ma atatu ni mekoirwo gute mioyo yao utuku wa gukia umuthi kumana na matuika lari gukwari ni kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Atongoria kuma kaunti ino ni megwikinyitie mwena ucio magitongorwa ni gavana wa kaunti ino Kimani Wamatangi hamwe na mubunge wa Lari niwe Mburu Kahangara na kwiranira unyitaniri wao na ruhonge rwa Mutharaba Mutune niguo kuhonokia aria mahofanirio ni mutino ucio.
Tumetuma mashini hapa nyingi, tuko na excavator, tuko na malori, tuko na zingine tunaongeza, ndio tunaanza. Vile nimesema hapa ile mchanga imeteremka na kulalia barabara ni karibu eka 2. Kwa hivyo ni kazi mingi inahitaji kufanyika. Na hii hali ya hatari imekuwa ikitokea hata kwa hii barabara na hii sehemu. Ni vile tu haijaathiri watu wengine. Pambana na tunataka kutahadharisha watu wetu. Hii barabara sasa na hii area sio pahali pazuri pakuwa unatembelea usiku, kutembea tu kama hauna shughuli hii area. Kabla hatujatangaza hali ya usalama kwa hii area, watu wakae kama wanatahadharisha sana.
Ona kuri uguo aikari mwena ucio ni monanetie kwaga kuiganira na mihango ya uhonokania na ira irathie na mbere kuona kinyagia miaraho ya umuthi. Mihango ino ndere irarehe umithio na uguo kuria thirikari itume uteithio makiria niguo kuhonokia mioyo miingi. Aikari aya ni mongereire kuga marena wagagu kuona matuika maya makoretwo makihanika mahinda kwa mahinda.
Hadi jioni hiyo siku ya jana kulikuwa kumeporomoka zaidi ya mara 2. Asubuhi kitu ya saa 4 kuna moja ilikuwa imeporomoka, kitu saa 7, saa 6 kuna nyingine ilikuwa imeporomoka. Hii ndio ilikuwa ya mwisho na ndio ilikuwa kubwa zaidi. Actually hatujaiona kubwa. Lakini kwa hii barabara tumekuwa mingi imekuwa ikiporomoka kutoka mnamo tarehe 24 April kumeporomoka mara zaidi ya 10. Viongozi wanakuja hapo na trakta inasongesha mchanga tu kidogo tu ili tupate kwa kupitia. Na tumekuwa tukishukuru. Lakini haijakuwa binu mwafaka kwa sisi wakazi wa hapa enye imetusaidia. Kwa sababu venye wamekuwa
na kuona mutino ndore mwene na kugitera gwefata gukira kuhonia. Riu gavana Wamatangi ni oreti aria maikaraga hakuhi na barabara iyo guthama niguo guthaitira mioyo yao kuona kaunti ya Kiambu ni igomeirwo ni matuika maingi hindi ino ya miyoro.
Mpaka hii mvua ikuishe, wacha watu wakae upande huu wa juu. Wenye walichimba hii barabara walichimba na kuacha mchanga ile nyepesi juu. Hii ilikuwa inafaa kukatwa ikiwa inalala kama ovo. Alafu ile mchanga huko yote imetolewa kwa vile hiyo ni mchanga yenye inaweza kuteremka muda wote. Hiyo ndio shida. Na kwa hivyo hii mpango hata hii barabara yenyewe hii kazi lazima irudiwe. Kwa vile mvua ingenyesha haiwezi kukaa namna hii. Hata sio
Hadoi-ini ha Muthingi TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiku wa Kihuba.
na kurumirira miyuro ya mai iria iragithina mbere gukorwo ikiarahira andu matiganite cigo itiganite cia bururi iria iracungiririe ikuo na makiria guthararia kwa miturire ya aikari matiganite. Riu mutongoria wa kiama kia mung'ethaniro kia ODM Raila Odinga ni atumite uteithio wake kuria mwena wa Mathare na kuria atumani uteithio wake na gukorwo gikinyira aikari akuguo kwa gicakaya na family iria ciagitereire endwa ao miyuro-ini yo ya mbura.
Aikari a cigo kia umbunge kia Mathare aria magomeirwo ni miyuro ya mai ni mamukirire atongoria a kiama kia mung'ethaniro na ndumo nene kuria mekwamũkagĩra uteithio wa irio.
Tumekuja kupokea msaada ya chama cha ODM.
Tongoria aya maugite ati irio icio cikugayanio na njira igwete kuri andu aria othe mahutirio ni miyuro hatari muthutukanio.
Pokeeni salamu kutoka kwa baba. Baba angekuwa hapa lakini ako safarini. Na tumekuja hapa tupike pole kwa wale ambao wameathiriwa, na hii chakula tumeleta kwa kila mtu, tujaleta kwa chama. Kila mtu ambaye ameathirika ana haki ya kupata chakula, na hii chakula tutawacha hapa, mutagawiwa vile inatakikana. Mungu awabariki.
Seneta wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna niongereire ati mucemanio ucio nduma na moto o wothe wa kiuteti ende ni wa kurehe uteithio kuri aria othe mahutitio.
Tuwe na mkutano wa amani, hakuna campaign hapa, hakuna uchaguzi, tumekuja kuleta chakula, si ndio? Bas.
Ngiribotera Muthengi TV, njitagwo Wangari wa Njuguna.
Wewe, unajua mimi nawajua.
Thengio muno mundu gwitwo Wangari ni undu wa riboti iyo. Na riu tugithii na mbere ni ati speaker wa bunge ya gibururi mundu gwitwo Moses Wetangula nikuretwo giaretana kuri abunge hari kunyita mbaru mendekithia maria mari budget-ini ya mwaka wa kigina kia 2024 2025 akiuria abunge aya akwaya kuhuthira budget ino hari gukorwo makihura uteti kuona ati nio abunge aria magikorwo makihitukia mamwe ma mawatho maria makiri budget-ini no ya kigina.
Wewe sio leo hawe lia sasa. Wewe sio, and want to encourage you kuendelea kukoloni. Loko sino ne chasa free. Nona wale nyakuru na lumbuchi bano ni wale nyakuru rakimesha kazi kimi weweni kiona ke kingo sajira kipo. Sinecha narao this is. Yekile ka hola kidogo. Siniko ko no please. Focus hapo bibi. Tunamwori abuna kanira mone mbalizi. Because of time. Omayeno chamusu ndiko kole kasi yange legacy regime. None wena uma case. Abo ndiko ubangopira bangali. Bangwa Didi mate de bad market. Wajira kuzo mwana papa bigere munga akisambi. Focus kwa wale wako na mpira. Mimi sasa hivi ni kufanyia watu wa Bungoma kazi. Mwana ndaba kolele kazi yake ya Mungu Bungoma will never be the same. Niwenya kumanya chaka and you want the way it's looking. And we come to talk more. Lakini sina hanya na mara buyi nanya kuba karibisia mwike Madaraka Day mu stadium Kandui. Bakaba kaza bako ile kata kuja mu stadium logita. Okawugenge nese rinje na afula na mwena njala. So kade de kata ijaza kola kuriena. Kwaka na kula bantu bacha kuja ajira nani. Akoni kwa maendeleo niko kwenye 8 million for the office. Thank you so much.
Yule na waomba wabunge wetu. Nimemupa likizo ya mwezi moja. Sasa ni time ya budget. Na hiyo budget nyinyi ndio mnatunga kabiti, nyinyi ndio mnapitisha katika parliament. Tafadhali save the public the agony ya kuja kulia mbele ya wananchi kwamba finance bill ni mbaya, budget mbaya na nyinyi ndio mnapitisha. Nyinyi mkae bunge na wenzenu, do the right things for the people of Kenya. Wananchi wanamtegemea kwa sababu walimchagua. Watu wamekufa, nyumba zao zimeanguka, serikali inajaribu kuwasaidia vile wezavyo. Sisi huko tuko high ground. The benefit ya mvua kupanda mahindi ya kutosha, ya bei rahisi iko ili tulishe Kenya. Wakulima wa kahawa, pesa imewekwa katika budget ya kufufua ukulima wa kahawa. Ninafurahi kiwanda yetu milling plant hapa Musese itafanya kazi. Get into coffee farming, muweke pesa kwa mfuko.
Nayo nyumba ya jaji omwe kuma kuria mwena wa Eldoret ni umwaidire kuriwo ikihithukiro ni ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa EACC na kuria muigana wa indo iria cikiuma nyumba ino ni makiria ma indo cia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3.2 na kuria keria nandiki a mohoro muthenya wa umuthi Eric Gobe ni ugite ati ni kuri indo nyingi ikorwo ikuhithukirwo ni ruhonge rwa EACC na kuria augite matigo korwo magicũthĩrĩria ungumania ugithi na mbere gũkũ bũrũri wa Kenya.
Indo cia muigana wa bilioni 3.2 ni ihithukĩtio ni ruhonge rwa EACC. Indo ici iria ihithukĩtio taũni-inĩ ya Eldoret ni nyũmba ya jaji omwe wa igoti rĩa Eldoret na mĩgũnda ya honge itiganĩte.
Tume imeweza kuokoa mali ya dhamani ya 3.2 billion ambayo ilikuwa imebiwa katika mji huu wa Eldoret. Ni mashamba ambayo ni ya mashirika yafuatayo. Kuna judiciary, ikiwemo ile nyumba ambayo ni ya yule jaji anayehusikana na kesi za mashamba na environment. Nyumba yake ilikuwa imeibiwa. Kuna county referral hospital, kuna county assembly mahali wanaendelea kujenga sasa hivi, kuna fire station. Kwa hivyo vipande hivi tumerudisha. Mutongoria wa EACC ni atarĩirie ati ruhonge rũrũ ni rũrĩkĩtie kũhithũkia kaunti itiganĩte na muigana wa indo iria irĩkĩtie kuoyo na njĩra itarĩ cia waragania na makeranĩra ati ni mekũthuthuria kaunti ici. Mwezi uliopita EACC ilizindua ile report tunaita National Ethics and Corruption Survey ambao iliorodhesha kaunti kadhaa pamoja na viwango vya ufisadi. Kwa hivyo kaunti ambazo ziko hapa ni moja wapo ya zile ambavyo vinakumbwa na changamoto hii kwa hali juu, na tukimalizana na hizi tutaweza pia kukaa na kaunti zingine. Kiriama uguo ni atarĩirie ati wĩyumĩrĩtie o rĩrĩ kĩgĩna gĩa kaunti gĩtanyĩte kũrekererio na uguo ni moya ati kuri na mbeca ibangĩtwo mĩtaratara-inĩ ĩrĩa materĩgĩrĩire gwĩkĩra mũingĩ. Uguo ruhonge rũrũ rwa EACC rukeranĩra ati mekũrora mĩanya ĩno na mamĩhinge. Tunajua pia kwamba hii inakuja wakati ambapo county governments zinatengeneza bajeti ya mwaka ujao wa kifedha, na tunajua budgeted corruption ni changamoto kubwa. Tunajua kwamba county governments zingine kuna ile collusion kutoka watu wa executive na county assemblies wanaweka eti pesa kwa project ambazo hawanui kufanya, ama project ambayo tayari imejengwa na national government, project ambayo imejengwa mara nyingi, wana budget, wanaweka pesa ndani yake na baadaye wanatumia proxy companies kutoa zile pesa na kuvuja. Kwa hivyo hatutaki kungoja mpaka pesa zipotee, tuna monitor vile budgeting inaendelea na tuweze kuona mianya hiyo na tuizimbe. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Wakio wa Mucogo.
Aya na ripoti iyo niyo igukorwo igitweka mweke ga gwikira ndathi hana gucokeraria no maingĩ.
Save a Life ni gikundi gitari gĩa gĩthirikari kiria gikoretwo gigicenjia maisha ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha ni tucenjetie maisha ma andũ makiria ma 100,000 through gutwara arwaru thibitari, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũempower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nĩgetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maisha ma andũ. Save a life, transforming lives.
Uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwatanĩro na nyũmba ya mohoro, ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ, amu Muthingi TV nĩ irakuhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tuhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0777 572 358 kana ũtwandĩkĩre email nĩyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Ũka tũtume ndũgũ na tũtirithanie hamwe, amu ndũgũ nĩ makinya.
Haya, na nitwagicokereria na ruo ruhonge rwa Kenya Marine and Fisheries Research Institute manyitanĩire na honge itiganĩte na nyitĩte sector-inĩ ya ũrĩmi kũrĩa mwena wa Siaya harĩ gũkorwo makĩrũria mĩtaratara ĩngĩ mĩerũ ya gũkorwo magĩthiĩ na mbere harĩ gũkũria ũrĩmi wa thamaki oro ũndũ ũmwe na tũtambi tũrĩa tũkoragwo tũkĩhũthĩra arĩ muoroto-inĩ wa kũhũra njeki biacara ya ũkũria wa thamaki.
My name is Dr. Peter Michael Odworo-Dorote. I work for the Kenya Marine and Fisheries Research Institute in Mombasa. The Kenya Marine and Fisheries Research Institute, abbreviated KEMFRI, is a national research organization, and one of the areas we cover is community projects as much as possible, so that our research is not lofty but serves the people on the ground. Right now we have a project under the acronym is called InnoEcoFood. It is a project sponsored by the European Union to look at 3 value chains which can end up supporting livelihoods of local communities. The first value chain is the fish, where we are intending to produce catfish and tilapia, not in the traditional open pond system which has always been used, but in a system which is called a recirculation aquaculture system, where we tend to use less water and circulate that water and filter it and just replace a bit of it and keep growing the fish. Such a system, of course, requires a bit of intensive oxygen presence and so on, which will help the condition factor of the fish. JQuad, ICIPE, FSPCA, Peche Foods, which is working with Spirulina. Each institution is bringing a unique expertise. KEMFRI is bringing expertise on fish farming, catfish and tilapia culture, and Spirulina. And then JQuad is bringing in expertise in cooling and drying technologies, as well as insect research. ICIPE is bringing insect research expertise. FSPCA is bringing expertise on social economics, and Peche Foods is bringing in value addition using baked products and so on. So that is the Kenyan component. Then the other institutions outside Kenya are also going to contribute their own expertise into the EcoHub.
My name is Kabababu Margaret. I work with ICIPE, ICISPE is the International Center for Insect Physiology and Ecology. We are a center of excellence in insect science, basically involved in doing research in insects. One of the things that we do, we have been involved in working with insects that can be used for food and feed. So there are different categories of insects that can be used for that purpose. And we've trained various farmers and we've trained various partners to produce these insects, and they're using it as a source of livelihood and also in businesses.
Nayo kajo ya makanitha gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩyo NCCK nĩyo ĩnanĩtie guoya harĩ kũhĩtũkio kwa mendekithia marĩa marĩ budget-inĩ ya mwaka wa kĩgĩna wa 2024 na 2025. Kajo ĩno ya makanitha yugĩte atĩ kwa gũkorwo mĩtũrĩre ya Akenya nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere kũritũhana kũrĩa makĩaria marĩ kũrĩa mwena wa Gĩthumo. Reverend John Mark ũrĩa gũtongoretie kĩgomano gĩkĩ kĩa NCCK nĩorĩtie thirikari harĩ gũkorwo magĩthikĩrĩria makaya ma Mũkenya.
The finance bill that is coming up for debate and hopefully as known in Kenya, they may find their way with it. But we as a church do take note of the fact that we have a very insensitive government. That even after going through difficult times in 2023, when promises were made that things may get better in the future, Kenyans did struggle through the year, and even as we began, there was some hope. And here comes a bill that kind of dims that hope. We want to tell the government that they are being insensitive to the cry of the Kenyan that is adversely affected by this bill. We have a wasteful government. And whenever they even talk about cutting down on expenditure in certain areas, they have not yet lived to that talk. So the alternative that I would propose to this government is to relook at their budget and do things in a way that does not overburden Kenyans. The greatest tragedy of our nation is that justice, professionalism, equity, and equality before the law has been sacrificed at the altar of corruption. Political power is continuously being used for selfish enrichment at the expense of the citizens who are trapped in downward spiral of impoverishment. We, after reflection, do recommend that the government plans and budgets be primarily focused on production and value addition, not just on expenditure for purchase of goods and services. This regional conference have noted with a lot of concern that policies being put in place by Parliament and county governments are killing dignified livelihoods among our citizens. The Finance Act passed by parliaments in the last 5 years, as well as the county finance appropriation bills, have systematically muzzled business and investments by raising taxes to unmanageable levels. This is killing the future lives of our people by hindering micro-level industrialization. To remedy this, we strongly recommend that the county governments provide favorable business environments by consolidating and rationalizing all fees, levies, and licenses required by different agencies and authorities.
Naguo thukuru omwe kuma kũrĩa mwena wa Kakamega Mutunguru nĩgũtigĩtwo magĩteta nĩ ũndũ wa ciana cia thukuru ũyũ kwa gũcokereria rĩrĩ thukuru itiganĩte iragĩkorwo igĩthiĩ na mbere na mathomo mao. Aikari na aciari makiuga atĩ arutwo aya a St Joseph na Mulungu maregete gũcokereria gĩthomo kĩao nĩ kũrĩa maugĩte matiganĩire n'ũthii wa na mbere na wa cukuru ũyũ gũkũ ũkĩaga ũiguithanio gatagatĩ ka arimũ arutwo achari arutwo aya oro hamwe na bodi ya thukuru uyu.
There is nothing going on in the school, whereas we know all schools were opened on Monday. Our school shows no sign of opening, and we are wondering when our students are supposed to report, because the principal has not told us as members of the board when the school will actually open. This is actually an issue for us. We are not taking it lightly, because the students in this school belong to this country, and they need to be given an opportunity to compete favorably with the other students in Kenya as a whole.
Sasa hivi wanafunzi wanakwenda shuleni, wengine walienda juzi, but there's no single student that we have found on this compound. The grass is overgrown, there is vandalism all over, and one really wonders, is this a school that is prepared to open this term? Ama hii ni shule ambayo ilisahaulika miaka 10 iliyopita. We will make a formal petition to the Ministry of Education and the Teacher Service Commission to suspend the principal with immediate effect and carry out investigations on the allegations raised.
Now ekwirwo eri augumania wa makiria ma shiringi milioni 32 aria ni akuma bururi wa Italy ni makinyirio muthenya wa umuthi igoti-ini ria Nairobi na kuria wakiri wao ni we Ndegwa Njiru ni oretie igoti riri hari kumanyihanyihiria bodi amu ni igithia na onjoria hari guku bururi wa Kenya na ni mokoretwo makiura jeki sekta ya uthi wa nabre shira wa eri ayagakro ugithikiririo hari taki 22 mweri wa Mei mwaka turi.
Number 2, Your Honor, April 12 is or signifies the commence of the proceedings, and we have serious issues with my learned senior, Mr. Olekina, representing the accused persons in this matter. You know, I may be wrong, but my view is that we ought to get directions on our application first, because it's an application for recusal, which is akin to a charge that has been posed to a judicial officer, so that then we are able to understand whether my learned senior, Mr. Olekina, is capable of receiving the document that is now seeking, or the documents might be landing on the wrong hands. As we await the 10 minutes break sought by the prosecution, we'll seek directions on our application. What goes first, our application or pre-trial? I am most happy.
Certifies the notice of motion of 9th May 2024 and 8th May 2024 respectively as urgent. Both respondents, that is the ODP and Mr. Olekina, to file their respective replies within 3 days from today to serve corresponding briefs given to the applicant in the notice of motion dated 9th May 2024 to file a supplementary affidavit in this and serve the same within 2 days from the date of such service. The notice of motion dated 9th May and 8th May.
Aya, riboti ĩyo nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtweka mweke kangĩ ga gwĩkĩria no ndũgathiĩ haraya tũgũkorwo tũgĩcokeria na riboti ingĩ makĩria oro hamwe na riboti cia mathako.
Karibuni na mwikare thĩ mũnjĩre nĩkĩ kĩarĩa kĩngĩ.
Pastor, mũndũ ta ũyũ okaga ũtukũ biũ na ndarĩ ũguo tene. Thikũ ici ona thimũ yake ndigĩkwĩra ndamĩhutirie rĩ, nĩ password yekĩaga.
Maũndũ ta maya nĩmo mahagũrĩte ihiko nyingĩ. Na ithuĩ Mũthingi TV tugakurehera tabarira ya mwanya itagwo kwiregeria.
Ukikona mundu ciana cia nyarara muthu umenye mutumia ucio no monete
no nginya wambe wamukire mundu hietha thamake
o muthenya wa kiumia kuma thaa 4 cia utuku nginya thaa 5 na niĩ Njuguna wa Ngugi.
Haya nitagicokereria na riu imwe kwa imwe tuingire kuria iharo-ini citu na kuria tugukorwo tukiambiria na riboti itu ya mbere area ukuri wa mbitika cia Nyarari na kuria kiama kiria kiramataga kagi ya Football Kenya Federation manyitanire na FIFA niguo hari uthomithania wigi uhuthiri wa dawa. Girimiti ino yukite ari ta njira ya ukuria wa mbitika cia Nyarari guku bururi-ini.
And for a long time, we've been kind of segregated or something. More attention has been on the male. But now, we are happy. The focus is shifting to women also trying to get up on board to make it an international thing, equal kind of. Now, when you bring professional health for women, so number one, we are taking care of their physical health. We are taking care of their mental health as well, because if your physical is taken care of and you know you are professionals are the one taking care of you. Your also mental state is taken care of, and when your mental state is taken care of, you will perform in the field.
Okay, this time niliamua kukuja juu nataka ku advance from zile nini tulifunzwa. Okay, nimeweza kuziapply na naona zina work na zinasaidia. So saa hii nimerudi ndo ni advance nijue more. Juu kwa hii nini industry ya football kuna vitu mingi zitokea, injury inaweza tokea ile yenye utaraji. So bila knowledge huwezi handle na inaweza kuwa severe. So saa hii at least nitaweza kuona wider way, nitajua na pia niweze ku open mind yangu pia. Yeah.
One thing we know in physiotherapists is that whenever you do a good assessment, you will come up with a working diagnosis or hypothesis to enable now that player to be treated well and go back to the field of play. But if you don't treat these players according to how we assess them, it will make now these players go back and start some other small business that will engage them in subscriptive environment that cannot make them earn their living.
Hari ripoti eye bitika cia Sekafa Kagame na kuria kigaona kia Afrika ya irathiro na gatagati Sekafa Kagame ni kiugite bitika ci ni igucokereria thutha wa miaka eri na kuria mabũrũri 12 matanyitwo kunyita itemi. Bũrũri wa Tanzania nutanyitwo kunyita ugeni bitika ici. Haya na ripoti iyo ya mathako niyo igukorwo igitutirihira mohoro maitu ma hwaini muthenya wa umuthi gicokirie gatho we wagitikira gutana ithu kuma ria twambiririe mohoro maya ngigia riu njokirie gatho aria othe magikorwo magituma ndumire cio kuria mwena wa Facebook na nginya YouTube. Dikarigani aria twagikorwo tukinyitana na guku mwena wa studio aria magitigirira ati mohoro maya maitu no akorwo kimamũkĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbacĩrĩrĩkĩte mambĩrĩrio nĩ andĩki aitũ othe a mohoro. Mũndũ gwĩtwo producer wakwa mũndũ gwĩtwo Wambui wa Jau Tel nĩwe kiuma director wakwa, mũndũ gwĩtwo Kevo nĩwe kiuma kũrĩa mwena wa graphics, na mũndũ gwĩtwo wa camera nĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo Fred Wathĩka nĩwe kiuma kũrĩa mwena wa transmission, na mũndũ ũrĩa wagĩtigĩra mohoro maya maitũ nĩ mamũkĩra nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cikinyanĩria ona nĩ Facebook na nginya YouTube nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Nyagũthiĩ. Nĩ hingo ciothe njĩtĩkaga Wairimũ wa Kimani hatirĩ ũndũ ũngĩ tiga gũkwendithĩria ũtukũ mwega.